Well, I'm one of the person who comes from the families that don't provide morning meals. So I could go to school while hungry, but because I could eat porridge of maize meals, I could eat and then be energetic, go into class. I would be able to listen to the teachers and be able to concentrate because I am okay.
Education is important because when you're educated, you have power. People do not take advantage of you. I've always wanted to be independent one day, not to depend on anybody anymore. So to eat that, the only thing that could help me to be independent one day is education. So that's what kept me going.
I am so excited. Graduating